Financial education. First of all, what is financial education? It's the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal finance management, saving money in order to be able to invest that money in active or passive investments. Active investing requires your time. Hire a manager or other so-called active participant. Passive investing involves less buying and selling, and these are investments for long and very long term, like buying stocks, mutual funds, or why not even cryptocurrency. The habit of saving is itself an education, and like a Dutch proverb says, enough is better than too much. In the beginning, if you want to start doing so and have no money and not a clue how to start saving your money, and you're worried that you don't have a big enough salary for this kind of thing, think again. You have money for a brand new iPhone or the newest laptop. You have money for a new pair of jeans. You just bought a pair last week. Then you can start from there, and don't upgrade your phone every 6 months. Don't change your laptop every year, and stop buying a new pair of jeans week after week. You will see that you have enough money to begin with. You don't have to save thousands of dollars per month in order to learn financial education. You can start with an amount as low as just $1. The point is to start doing it and be aware on what things your money goes to most. After you achieve this skill, you will wish to save more and more money month after month and be more awake at what you're doing with your income. You must gain control of your money, or you will be controlled by money all of your life. That's a fact, and you have to remember it every single day until you live by it. I can give you a tip that was actually very good for me too. When you want to buy something, just think, how many hours do you have to work for that thing? I can assure you that after you do the math, that thing is not going to be worth the effort and you will be less tempted to buy it. This way, you will be able to save lots of money per month, and it's a healthy tip both for your time and your money. It's just a matter of time until you will do this with every item that it will cost you more than 1 day of your working time. After this, you will realize how many hours and days you spent for all the things you bought that now are costing 10% from what you paid for, or even worse, they're already being worthless or thrown in the garbage can. In the end of this video, I will leave you with a quote known by just a few people that Pablo Picasso said once. I'd like to live as a poor man with lots of money. That's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this about savings, personal growth, investments, and more topics that will change your lifestyle, wealth, and, of course, in the end, your net worth.